Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Snapchat camera problem. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your Snapchat. You guys can see Snapchat camera problem. So how to fix, go back your home screen and open your settings. Tap on settings and from here scroll down and tap on apps and tap on apps management. And from here you search for this Snapchat. Scroll down and tap on Snapchat. From your Snapchat and tap on permissions. Tap on this and from here scroll down and tap on camera and you make sure that tap on allow. After that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and tap on force stop and tap on again force stop, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and tap on again apps and tap on camera and tap on camera, and from here tap on force stop, tap on this and tap on again force stop, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and tap on Play Store, and from here you search for this Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat and you have update your new version. I am already update, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. Open your Snapchat. You as can see your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.